Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. President Shamiso Mnangagwa and First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa led the first family in mourning and interring the president's son Shamiso Mnangagwa at the Mnangagwa family Rusomo farm yesterday. Shamiso Mnangagwa passed away on Friday, 26 June 2026 in Masvingo. The burial proceedings were held at the family farm in Masvingo province. Images shared online showed President Mnangagwa walking at the burial site alongside senior government officials and family members. The First Lady was also seen participating in the mourning rites. The gathering drew relatives, friends, and government officials who came to pay their last respects to the late Shamiso Mnangagwa. May her soul rest in peace. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.